Hello everyone, welcome to Aasaan Services. Today we'll be talking about the automate marketing module in Aasaan ERP Lite. So basically this feature will help you send like bulk messages or emails to your users, to your customers, which will make your communication effortless and efficient. You can send like festival greetings or promotional mails. You can also remind your customer for regarding their due payments, etc. Or you can also do internal communication among your colleagues or among all the employees you have. You can do it directly from here. This module is beneficial for any businesses because first of all it saves a lot of your time, because you can do everything from one place just by in like a few clicks you can do it. Also it like increases your engagement with the customers, because when you keep on sending emails regarding your offers, or even if you send emails wishing them happy Holi or anything, it keeps your customer engaged to your business, right? Also it's very cost efficient because you don't have to use any third party application for doing the same. You can directly do it from here. Plus it is easy to track all the things you are doing here, and this also improves your customer retention capability. So let's dive in and see what's inside the automate marketing module and how you will navigate to it. First of all, you will just go to the left hand menu and you will click on automate marketing. Once the page loads, you will see that all the details of your previous mails or SMS you have sent will be here. And now if you want to add a new one, send new bulk emails, etc., you can just click on the plus button. So as the page loads, you can see that you have to fill certain information before sending your bulk email or SMS, such as who you want to send it. There are multiple options here, but like you can send it by source, by profession, by stages. You can also select the customer accounts that you have, particularly if you want to send someone. Then you can select from all your deals, all your leads, all users, all contacts. So for now I'll just select all users, and it will send the mail to everyone that I have added in this account, all the users I have added in this account. And I'll select a subject, let's suppose happy Holi, since Holi is coming. Then I'll select email. Then I can, this is actually the special feature of this module. You can select it one time, or how many times till how many days you want to keep on sending this email. You can just put it over here. If you select one time, it will just go one time, or if you select recurring time, you can select a starting date, suppose like 12, and an ending date, suppose like 14, right? So if I just say limit 1, like send one message per day and send one message every day, so it will just keep on sending from 12, like 12 it will send one message, then 13 one message, and 14 one message. So that way it will keep on sending as per as per your entry. Like if you increase this date, it will keep on sending till that date. So that's how you can like keep on promoting something you want or anything directly from here. Also, like if you just train this module once, and it will, you are like free of a hassle, it will automatically keep on sending. So you can come below and then select a template, existing template, like something here, or you can just give your own template, something like this, where I'm wishing all my users happy Holi. Then you can attach any picture or anything you want. Then you can just click on submit, and you can see it's done and the mail has been sent. So now I'll just go to my mail and show it to you. So here is the mail, it has been received. All the things that we have wrote in the body is here. Similarly, this mail will go to every user that you added in your ERP Lite in here, in ERP Lite. So similarly, you can also send this mail to your customers or vendors or anyone you want. Also, you can send it to a certain person if you want to. You can do all the things from right from here, like from this module. You don't have to wander around. So I hope you understood what I was trying to explain, and I hope you all liked it. If you have any doubts, please write it down in the comments below, and do like and subscribe the channel, and thank you for watching.